What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This channel, Excitement Technology, has been a really great channel. I've uploaded 89 videos, got a few thousand views. I've had a lot of fun with it. I think you guys have had, from what I've interacted with you guys, have had a lot of fun on this channel. But the channel name has never really fit what this channel is about. It's about skid steers and lawnmowers and four-wheelers and trucks and alternative energy. It's a shop-oriented YouTube channel and mechanical stuff. When we started this YouTube channel back 2 years ago, me and my brother started it. We had the mindset of technology, GoPros, cameras, computers, drones. We love all that stuff, and we were going to do reviews and how-to videos and stuff like that. And he got offered a job of computer programming, and he really didn't have time to do YouTube. So I took over it, and now it's this kind of stuff. It's skid steers and trucks and go-karts and stuff like that. Stuff I love to do. And you guys love it too, which is why I subscribed to the channel. And the channel name just never really fit. So, as of today, this is the last video I'm uploading to Excitement Technology YouTube channel. New channel name is coming very, very shortly. And for all of everybody who's stuck with me on the old channel, hopefully you guys will like the new channel. Same stuff, just different name and more fitting name. But anyway, lots of videos coming up. One video dropping shortly after this video goes up. And yeah. Hope everyone had a safe and happy Easter. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the new channel.